गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती दीनामवित्रयवधू गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उदोध इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः याध इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यादवदयानो रुद्रमृदया यादे रुद्रशिवा धनुरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाचन्दमया गिरिजन्धाभिजागशीः यामिषं गिरिजन्धहस्ते विपश्यस्तवे शिवां गिरित्तदां कुरु माहि गुंसीः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसाध्वा गिरिजाच्च वदामसि यदा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असद् अद्य वोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषग् ऐकुश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्थाम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रु सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभिलो दिक्षु श्रिदा सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेदईमहे असौ यावसर्वदिनीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उदैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उदैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृदयादिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीदुषे अतो ये अस्य सद्वानोऽहं देव्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनस्तमुभयोराग्नियोज्याम् याश्च देहस्त इषवः परादा भगवो बभा अवदद्यदनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षजदेशुरे ऋषिर्यशल्यानां मुखा शिवो न सुमना भव विद्यन्तनुः कवर्दिनो विजल्यो बाणवागुम् उदा अनेशन्नस्येषव आपुरस्य निशं गदिः या देहेतिर्मीदुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्तमयक्ष्मय परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नाददाय कृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुदते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिदे धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वदः अतो य इषुदिष्टवारे अस्मन्निरेहिदम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिगाग्निघालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलगन्धाय मृत्युञ्जयाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनानेदिजां नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां बदये नमो नमः। सस्विञ्जराय द्विषेमदेवतीनां बदये नमो नमो बब्लुजाय विव्याधिनेनानां बदये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीदिने पुष्टानां पदये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगदां पदये नमो नमो रुद्राय ददाविने क्षेत्राणां पदये नमो नमः। सूदाय हन्याय वनानां पदये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपदये वृक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो मन्द्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो भुवन्दये वारिवस्कृतायोषधीनां पदये नमो नमः। उच्चे घोषाय ग्रन्थयदे बद्धीनां पदये नमो नमः। कृत्स्नवीदाय दावदे सद्वनां पदये नमः। नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पदये नमो नमः। ककुवाय निषङ्गिने सेनानां पदये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पदये नमो नमो वञ्जदे परिवञ्जदे स्तायूनां पदये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचराय अरण्यानां पदये नमो नमः। श्रीगाविभ्यो जिगागं दद्भ्यो मुष्णदां पदये नमो नमो सिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रगन्धानां पदये नमो नमः। उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्जानां पदये नमो नमः। इषुमद्योदन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आदन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आयच्छद्यो वृषजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। स्वपद्भ्यो जागृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो दावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः। नमः व्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। उगनाभ्यस्तृगं हदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रादेभ्यो व्रातपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः शुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। सेनाभ्यः सेनानीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। शक्तिर्भ्यः षण्गहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रदधारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृद्यो दन्वकृद्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः प्रभ्यश्वपदीभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिगन्धाय च नमः कवर्दिने च युक्तगेजाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शततन्वने च नमो गिरिजाय च शिबिविष्टाय च नमो वीदुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहदे च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च समृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आजवेजाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः सोदस्याय च द्विव्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च वरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च वगल्वाय च नमो जगन्याय च बुद्धियाय च नमः सोऽव्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय च वदान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आजुषेणाय चाजुरदाय च नमः शूराय जावविन्धदे च नमो वर्मिने च वरोदिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः स्तुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो दृष्णवे च प्रमृजाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णे शवे चायुरिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः कृत्याय च वद्याय च नमः काद्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सूर्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैजन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वश्याय च वश्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईद्रियाय च दप्याय च नमो वाद्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुवाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च अरुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयोभवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवधराय च नमः ईद्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय जावार्याय च नमः प्रदरनाय जोदरनाय च नमः आधार्याय जालाद्याय च नमः चष्व्याय जविन्याय च नमः त्रिगद्याय जाब्रवाह्याय च नमः ईरिण्याय जाब्रवद्याय च नमः किगुंजिलाय च शयनाय च नमः कवर्दिने च बुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ट्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्व्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काद्याय च गह्वरेस्ताय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्याय च शून्याय च नमः पन्याय च वह्नशद्याय च नमो भगुरमानाय च विघ्नदे च नमः आगिरदे च ब्रक्किरदे च नमो किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणगेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः निर्हदेभ्यो नमः आमिवत्केभ्यः द्रावे अन्नसस्वदे दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममद या ते रुद्रशिवा धनो शिवा विश्वः भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी दयानो मृदजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कवर्दिने शयद्वीराय प्रवरामये मदिं यदा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् निदानो रुद्रोदनो मयस्कृतिः शयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमदे यच्चं च योश्च मनुरायजे विदातदस्यामतवरुद्ध प्रणीदोः मानो महान्दमुदमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्दमुदमान उक्षिदम् मानो बलिः पितरं मोदमादरं प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्धरीरिषः मानस्तोकेदनये मान आयुषिमानो गोषुमानो अश्वेषुरीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्धवामिदो बलिर्हविष्मन्धो नमसा विधेमदे आराधे गोग्न उदुपूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय त्वं नमस्मेरे अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधिजदेव ब्रूयराजनः शर्म यच्छत् विबर्हाः स्तुहिश्रतं दत्तसदैयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुदमद्दुमुग्रम् विदाचरित्ये रुद्धस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निव बन्धुसेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्विनक्तु परिवेशस्य दुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्वयस्तनुष्वामी वस्तोकायतनयाय मृदया मीदुष्टमशिवतम शिवो नः सुमना भव वरमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निदाय कृत्तिं वसान आचन विनागं बिभ्रदागहि विगिरिदविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेदयोन्यमस्मन्निव बन्धुदाः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुगाग्रिदि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेजागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि अस्मिन् महज्जर्नवेन्दरिक्षे भवादि नीरग्रीवाशिरिकन्दा शर्वादः क्षमाचराः नीरग्रीवाशिरिगन्धादिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु तस्मिञ्जरा नीरग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकाश कवर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये बलाम्बदिरक्षलैरभृदायव्युदः ये देदानि प्रचरन्ति शिखाबन्धो निषङ्गिनः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्राभिदस्तिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं द्वादो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचे दश दक्षिणा दश प्रदिशे दशोदीचे दशोद्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृदयन्तु देयं विष्मो यश्च नोद्वेष्टितं भो चम्बे ददामि त्र्यम्बके यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुधं वाजा मृत्यो मध्याय हन्धवे तान्यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो माविशान्तकः तेनानेनाव्ययस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे भाहि तमुस्तु हि अस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वस्य च यदि वेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो बिर्देवसुरं दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवान् अयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्ववेशजो यगुं शिवा विमरुशनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः संयमे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वश्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे दविनं च मे यन्दा च मे दर्दा च मे क्षेमश्च मे दिदिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संदिच्च मे ज्ञातं च मे सुश्च मे भ्रसुश्च मे क्षीरं च मे लयश्च मर्दं च मे वृदं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवादुश्च मे दीर्घायुध्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुखं च मे शयनं च मे सुजा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
मंगलचरणा विद्याधायक
वाहेगुरु वाहेगुरु बोल मलवा
अल्लाह सतगुरु साईं
अल्लाह सतगुरु साईं
सतगुरु साईं
अल्लाह सतगुरु साईं
गीता वेद पुराण साईं
गीता
गीता वेद पुराण साईं
गीता
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम साई तेरे नाम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम साई तेरे नाम सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम अल्लाह साई मौला साई अल्लाह साई मौला साई यीशु बुद्ध साई है महावीर साई यीशु बुद्ध साई सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम। सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम साई तेरे नाम। सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम। अल्लाह साई मौला साई। यीशु बुद्ध साई है महावीर साई। गोविंद साई गोपाल साई नानक साई। सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम। सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम। ईश्वर तेरे नाम साई तेरे नाम। सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम।
युगे युगे के अवतारा साई राम साई कृष्ण साई बाबा। युगे युगे के अवतारा साई राम साई कृष्ण साई बाबा। युगे युगे के अवतारा साई राम साई कृष्ण साई बाबा।
युग युग के अवतारा साई राम साई कृष्ण साई बाबा।
बाबा साई बाबा बाबा 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 साई बाबा।
युगे युगे के अवतारा साई राम साई कृष्ण साई बाबा।
युग युग के अवतारा साई राम साई कृष्ण साई बाबा।
अल्लाह येसु नानक साई।
अल्लाह यीशु नानक साई।
खुदा जोरास्त्र महावीर साई।
बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र महावीर साई।
अल्लाह येसु नानक साई।
अल्लाह यीशु नानक साई।
खुदा जोरास्त्र महावीर साई।
बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र महावीर साई।
राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम।
राम रहीम जय राम जय राम रहीम जय राम।
राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम।
राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम।
राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम रहीम अवतारा साई रामा साई कृष्णा साई बाबा
युग युग के अवतारा साई रामा साई कृष्ण साई बाबा
अल्लाह येसु नानक साई
अल्लाह येसु नानक साई
जो राष्ट्र महावीर साई
बुद्ध जो राष्ट्र महावीर साई
राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम
राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम
राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम
राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम रहीम जय राम
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज मूढमते भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति दुःखकरणे नहि नहि रक्षति दुःखकरणे पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनं पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनं इह संसारे बहुदुस्तारे इह संसारे बहुदुस्तारे इह संसारे बहुदुस्तारे कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारे भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज मूढमते भज गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्द विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज्ज तु यहोव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्रविष्णु तू रामकृष्ण तू रहीमताओ तू रहीमताओ तू वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तू चिदानंद हरि तू अद्वितीय तू अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तू आत्मलिंग शिव तू आत्मलिंग शिव तू असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया शांति शांति शांति।
I offer my most loving and humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Loving Sai Rams, the embodiments of love, a very warm welcome to you on this glorious Sunday morning, and thank you for joining our online devotional program. Dear brothers and sisters, our Go Green infographic for this week is on green gardening and the growing of speckboom. There are 5 points that we need to take note of when it comes to the speckboom plant. 1. It improves the quality of air that we breathe. Speckboom is a succulent that helps fight air pollution. It has the ability to capture more than 4 tons of carbon per hectare. 2. Speckboom is proudly South African. It is indigenous to the Eastern Cape, where South African elephants consider the plant a delicacy. 3. It's water-wise. No time to water your garden? The speckboom is a water-wise plant that is ideal for low-maintenance gardens. This drought-resistant plant can survive on just 250 to 350 milliliters of water a year. 4. It is suitable for all seasons and weather conditions. Speckboom has a photosynthetic mechanism which allows it to adapt to both rainforest-like conditions and semi-arid conditions. 5. It's easy to grow. Simply break or cut off a piece of a speckboom, stick it in the ground, water every few days, and you will soon have a new speckboom plant. So, dear devotees, be proudly South African. Grow your speckboom and help reduce air pollution. Dear devotees, we will now have Sister Devi sharing her experience on one of the 108 names of Sai.
Swami's guidance and protection through my COVID ordeal. Om Sai Ram, dear devotees, it is at his lotus feet that I greet you in his divine name. I must say that I never thought that I will one day be talking to you. It is only by the grace of God and his will that I am here, recovering from the dreaded COVID. While being sick, I questioned Swami. Why me? What have I done to deserve this? What wrong have I done? I know that unknowingly I walk on creatures like ants. But do I deserve this? Only our Master knows the answer, I guess. It was karma. The dreaded disease attacked me on 27/12/20. Can you believe it? Yes, I had it for 21 days. I could hear bells ringing, the splash of waves, and felt like an army of ants, fleas, and flies on me. I sometimes looked at death in the face, but my Swami never let go of me. One experience I will never forget is when I collapsed in the toilet, breaking the pan. I was lodged between the pan and the wall for about 3 minutes. When I regained consciousness, I thought to myself, how am I going to get out? I heard my sisters and brothers calling out for me. I called out to Allah, Buddha, Jesus, Mary, Muruga, and then Krishna. All I could see was Krishna, blue in color, but the face of Swami with a peacock feather on his head, and he lifted his arm as if saying, I will get you out. I managed to free myself. My brother and sisters were waiting at the door for me, with tears rolling down their faces, and I screamed, do not touch me, as I was afraid that they might also be infected with COVID. I crawled to my room and collapsed on my bed, gasping for breath. I felt no pain and had no injuries. I then questioned Swami again. Why me? I am your devotee, a total vegetarian. I do good and am good. Why? But nevertheless, Swami has his plan. He always tests our faith. Swami, our avatar, never left me. He even gave me an angel to take care of me, my eldest sister. She was at my side, making sure that I had my meds and meals on time. She was never afraid to come into my room, saying, if Swami can take care of you, you can take care of me, and will, and not afraid to die. I also had all my other Sai soldiers checking on me. Cannot name them, they know who they are. May Swami bless you, all of you. My life has never been the same again. I now value what my family do for me. I have learned to forgive and forget, because nobody knows what lies ahead. Be grateful for today. Forget yesterday. It is the past. I talk less, smile more, and I have ever hurt never. And also, don't waste time, money, food, etc. Think of the less fortunate. Oh yes, I had another angel watching over me, my dearest friend who passed away on the 16th of December. Believe me, she sat at my room by the window for almost 10 days with a lava light in her hand. On the last day, she let go of the lamp and disappeared. I felt a little better. She knew that I was on my road to recovery. She appeared in my dream that night saying that she will see me at Prashanti, and she is now with Swami. This, I guess, was the turning point. Brothers and sisters, from that day on, that I recovered. I was never afraid of death because I knew that one day I will have to go. But I do not want to suffer. Brothers and sisters, it is this time of Kali Yuga. Prayer, chanting, meditation, and Havan are the easiest and simplest way for success and curing illness, amongst other aspects. I know what it's like to suffer from COVID. So my dear brothers and sisters, let's all pray that Swami shines his light of love and lay his healing hands on each and everyone who's suffering from the COVID. Jai Sai Ram.
Our regional announcements for this week are as follows. Our young adults are currently busy with their sadhana camp. The theme for the camp is titled Healthy Body plus Healthy Mind equals Happiness. I trust that our young adults are all spiritually elevated after their morning session. The regional Sunday morning sadhana continues every week, commencing at 5:30. The regional Havan at 7 this morning was conducted by Karavastan Sai Center. Vedam classes are held every Sunday morning at 9:15. Devotees are encouraged to continue with their COD program and to also join their center WhatsApp study circle on Monday evenings. Ramayan week starts tomorrow, Monday 12th April, and concludes with the celebration of Ramnavami on 21st April. Our Balvikas Group 3 Speech Festival will take place next Sunday, 18th April. Devotees are encouraged to continue with the planting of spekboom, herbs, and vegetables. Please also continue to make your eco bricks and recycle your cans and paper. Our young adults will be hosting a tribute to our mothers on 2nd May. Young adults who are wanting to be part of the program are to please liaise with your respective center coordinator. Our young adults will also be hosting the Youth Day program. Please also liaise with your respective center coordinator if you want to be part of this program. Devotees requiring any further information on any of the announcements are to please liaise with their respective center president. During Aarti, let us continue to pray for the sick, the poor, and the needy. Let us also pray for peace in our country and world, as well as inner peace within ourselves. May our dear Lord Sai Rama continue to grace us all with His divine love and blessings. Do have a happy and blessed week. Jai Shri Sai Ram.
The mark of a true devotee. Once upon a time, Maharshi Narada was on his way to Vaikuntha, the abode of Lord Vishnu.
Pranams, O Venerable One.
Mahatma, you are the descendant of Brahma, the creator, and a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. We are fortunate to have you in our midst.
Narada's name is synonymous with devotion indeed. Who else has the privilege to call on the Trinity at will?
Narayana Narayana. Humble salutations to the lotus feet of the Lord.
Oh, Narada, glad you have come. Why? You look so much pleased with yourself. What could be the reason?
My Lord, what shall I say? I am here after circumambulating the 3 worlds, and having seen the 3 worlds, I feel so grateful. That is why I am so happy.
Oh, I see. And what makes you feel so grateful?
Lord, I saw that everyone worships you to get worldly desires fulfilled. At that point in time, I felt grateful that, Lord, I have only one desire, which is you. I constantly sing your glory. I chant your name with my every breath, and I seek nothing else in this life. I saw that everybody, including the sages, bow down to me in reverence, and that made me feel so humbled and grateful that you have made me the greatest of your devotees.
Not quite so, Narada. That honor belongs to someone else.
Someone else? How come? Who could that be?
There. Look at that man, tilling his land so that he can feed his family. I suggest you pay that farmer a visit.
Have I heard you right, my lord? You are asking me, a celestial sage, to go and visit a farmer on earth? What can I possibly do there?
You may learn what devotion is all about.
Learn from him? Lord Narayana Narayana, me? Learn from him? Let your will prevail, O Lord. Here I go.
Jai Sriman Narayan, Hari Om.
Ah, you woke up. Good. Now listen. Wedding day of our daughter is barely 2 weeks from now, and we have to get many important things for the ceremony. You better go to the market today and don't forget to take our priest along for advice.
Yes, I remember. I already spoke to the priest. We are going tomorrow.
Thank God. What about repairs to the cattle shed? Rains have ruined it completely. I hope you are aware of it.
I know. I will set it right with the help of our laborer in a day or two.
You have been saying the same thing every day. Those 2 cows are our only source of income. We cannot afford if anything goes wrong.
I'm as concerned as you are, my dear. But tilling the land is urgent, so that we can sow the seed at the right time. I want to complete it today. I will be going to market with the priest tomorrow. I will repair the cattle shed the day after.
On your way to the farm, don't forget to remind the weaver about the saris we ordered for the wedding.
Sure, I will.
Interesting. He is so engrossed with these mundane things that till now he has taken the Lord's name only once. Anyway, I will shadow and observe him closely.
Sriman Narayan, Hari Om.
That is the second time he uttered the Lord's name since morning. Thank God, he at least remembered to offer the food to the Lord before having it. There he goes. I really pity him. With so much work to do, he hardly has any time for prayers. Okay, at last. He is back home. I hope I can learn something about his worship, at least during the evening prayers.
Had your bath? Good. Your dinner is ready. Eat it before it gets cold.
Make my bed. I want to retire early. Have to get up early and go with the priest tomorrow. Om Shriman Narayan Hari Om.
Huh? That was the third and final time he remembered the Lord in the whole day? How does it make him a greater devotee than me? I am sure that Narayana must be pulling my leg. I will go to him right away. He owes me an explanation. Narayana, Narayana. Lord, I did as I was told. But do you know, the farmer did nothing exceptional except work like a bull from dawn to dusk. He utters your name just 3 times a day, no more. On the other hand, I constantly chant your name and sing your glory. Tell me, O Lord, how can that mortal be a greater devotee than me, this celestial sage?
Narada, that you must find out on your own. Will you do as I say?
Certainly, my Lord. I am your greatest devotee. I will obey every word of yours to the last letter. Just tell me what is it that you want me to do.
Here, Narada, take this pot of oil and keep it on your head. Now, I want you to go around the earth once and come back. But remember, you should not spill even a single drop of oil on the way.
But, Lord, may thy will prevail. Here I go, Narayana, with this pot of oil on my head. I will return soon. Narayana, Narayana, my Lord, I have accomplished the task that you assigned to me. I have gone around the world successfully without spilling even a drop of oil.
I had no doubt about your ability, Narada. But tell me, how many times did you chant my name while carrying the pot of oil around the earth?
Narayana, to be honest, actually, in my anxiety to prevent this oil from spilling, I completely forgot to utter your name. Not once did I take your name, but I was doing what you told me.
Narada, listen. That farmer is carrying on his head more precious and more responsible burdens than a pot of oil. He needs to be very careful so that he doesn't hurt anyone, even accidentally. He should therefore be more admired for remembering me at least 3 times a day. Do you get the point?
My Lord, you have opened my eyes. The praise lavished on me by the sages, they made me egoistic. I now understand what you wanted me to learn from that farmer. Sincerity is more important than the time that is spent in remembering you. Quality is more important than quantity. I am humbled, O Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.
Moral: even if you remember the Lord with thankfulness at least once or twice in a day, it is rewarding enough and confers you with great peace. Do not give up your worldly duties, but do them with the name of God on your lips, thus inviting the grace of God upon you.
Satya Sai, Satya Sai, Satya Sai Baba. Satya Sai, Satya Sai, Satya Sai Baba. crown of hair, robe of red. Your name means truth. A crown of hair, robe of red. Your name means truth. Baba, I love you. Oh, Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Oh, Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Avatar, Avatar, sweet Avatar. Avatar, Avatar, sweet Avatar. Satya Sai, Satya Sai, Satya Sai Baba. Satya Sai, Satya Sai, Satya Sai Baba. A crown of hair, robe of red. Your name means truth. A crown of hair, robe of red. Your name means truth. Baba, I love you. Oh, Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Oh, Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Avatar, Avatar, sweet Avatar. Avatar, Avatar, sweet Avatar. Satya Sai, Satya Sai, Satya Sai Baba. Baba, I love you. Oh, Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।